Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. Really in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. Then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a close look here. Front bumper, amazing condition. Looks super clean throughout. Very nice. Really an amazing shape. Take a look at the headlamp here on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, clean throughout. Bottom light, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Take a look at the grille. Grille's in beautiful shape. Light on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Lower lights also in beautiful shape. It has the bow tie emblems on them, the black ones, super nice. Hood's in beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Give it a quick look here. Very nice condition. Front fender on the driver's side, amazing shape, very nice condition. Front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition, clean throughout. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, beautiful condition, clean throughout. Take a look at the rear hatch. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Rear lights are in amazing shape. Super nice. Lower bumpers in beautiful condition. Parking sensors. Really nice shape. All right, let's take a look at the quarter panel here on the passenger side. Amazing condition, super clean. Rear door. Rear door on the passenger side also in beautiful condition. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. Front fender on the passenger side, amazing condition. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Don't see any chips on this side. Super nice condition. Let's take a look at the roof. Roof is in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. No marks on it or anything. Looks amazing. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Also in beautiful shape. No marks, no chips on it. Looks amazing. Beautiful 2025 Blazer LT. Really an amazing shape. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the front driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks amazing. Super nice shape. Take a look at the controllers. Beautiful condition there for the power windows, power locks, mirrors. Rear hatch, power. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Super nice, two-tone color. That special stitching on it looks super nice. Dashboard steering wheel in amazing condition. Looks really nice all the way through. Really amazing shape. Full power for the driver's seat with lumbar. Look at that. Amazing condition. Front passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Looks really nice. Really amazing shape. Look at that. All right, take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Beautiful condition. Two-tone with the stitching. Looks super sharp. Full set of floor mats, dashboard steering wheel in amazing condition. Very nice shape all the way through. We're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in amazing condition, looks super clean. Really outstanding shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in beautiful shape. Looks super clean. Really amazing condition. Take a look at the floor mats. Full set of floor mats all the way around. Rear AC vents and USBs. Very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in amazing condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice. Super sharp condition. Look at that. Very nice condition. Nice accent here with the stitching. Beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Very nice shape. Full set of floor mats. Take a look at the back of the seats. Really nice condition. Looks amazing. Beautiful shape. All right, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet Blazer LT package. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Take a look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch in the back, and panic. Original GM key. We're going to set that down here in the cup holder. And this one has a beautiful push button start right here in the center. So we're going to press the brake, push the button to start it up. Look at that, started right up. Very nice. Okay, let's go ahead and Take a look at the mileage on this one. This one has 7,892 miles. It's like brand new. 2025. 126 miles till empty. The miles per hour are showing there. It's got a little information center here. We can click through it. So right there it has the radio station it's on. We're facing west. There's no phone connected right now. And the specs here to go ahead and change the settings on the little screen here. Super nice. All right, we'll leave it on the home page there. So RPMs, miles per hour, temperature gauge, fuel gauge, compass, and it's sitting in park right now. You can see that all on the display there. Okay, so let's take a look at some of the features on this one. So this one has the collision detection in the front. So when we press the button here, we can adjust the distance on it. See that there? So that's one thing it has right there. This is the cruise control. This is for the information center we were moving around stuff on right now. Speaker commands, your Bluetooth, front and rear wipers, turning signals, working perfect. Very nice. Highlights right there. Fantastic. All right, this one has automatic lights right here. There's the controller. This is the power brake release. We're taking a look here at the power windows and mirrors. Power lock buttons are right there. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Take a look. Really nice shape. Dashboard looks amazing. Super nice condition. It's got that stitching that follows through the whole vehicle right there. Looks super nice. Nice accent there. Really amazing shape. All right, let's take a look at the radio. Radio's in beautiful condition. It's got a lot of features on it. Let's take a look at all the sources. So this has AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. And then we can go back to home again. And then we're sitting here. Let's take a look at the phone settings. If you have your phone pair, you'll be able to see it there. Wi-Fi settings, super nice. User settings, so you can set up a user or whatever if you like. Always saves your radio stations and all that good stuff. Settings right there. We have the system settings, app settings. This one has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Rear seat reminder, that's good if you have a small child. Let's see the collision detection. So it has forward alert and brake, front pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise, lane alert, rear camera with parking symbols, and rear cross traffic. Super nice. A lot of safety features on this one. Go back to home again. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You're gonna have to plug it in with a USB to be able to use Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. You got to connect that with your phone. All right, so you got apps there if you'd like. You can add more apps to it. So we have the OnStar app, the climate one, XM radio, and my Chevrolet climate. Shows you the AC, how it's working there. So this car is really cool because it has little dials you turn here. It adjusts the temperature there, and adjusting the temperature there, it also adjusts it on top. So that's super cool. All right, so let's go back to home again, and then we'll leave it on this screen here, which this screen shows you your phone on the right side, and it shows you whatever you have on the radio. All right, let's look at the regular AC controls here that are on the screen. So we have heated seats for the driver, heated seats for the passenger. Super nice. Turn it back off again. All right. Then you have your AC controls here, which is the big dial on this side for the driver. This is for the passenger, and they have their own separate temperature on this side. Whenever you do make a move on it, it shows up on the bottom of the screen here, regardless whatever you have on the screen. So that's really cool. Okay, and then you have your recycled air, your AC button, your auto, all the vents controllers, front and rear defrost, and the fan settings. Look at that. You have your USB settings there. This one has a wireless charger for your phone. So you set your phone down here, it charges. Okay, then you're looking at the automatic transmission. Super nice. Rear parking sensors. The lane alert here, the keep lane alert. That's what they call that. So right now it's sitting in the regular mode. There's another mode you can turn the transmission. It is on snow mode. We'll turn it to the right, and it's going to say snow mode. It's going to show it right here. Turn it again. It goes to sport mode. So we'll leave it on sport mode now. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. All right, so this is in beautiful condition here. Look at the armrest. Beautiful stitching. Follows through the whole vehicle. Really nice space there for your storage. A little pocket there to put stuff there also. Up above here, you got your sunglass holders. Your programmable garage door openers. You got 3 of them there. Passenger side airbag. You have your courtesy lights, LED lights, super nice. Your OnStar. And okay, so we're taking a look here at the automatic dimming mirror. It's got the little sensor right there. So pretty much that's it on the interior. We already looked at all the functions on the inside. Everything's fully functional, no issues at all. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and take this one for a test drive here. Here we go. Super smooth. Accelerates great. Look at that. Super quick. Really nice drive. Feels super smooth. All right, let's go ahead and I'm gonna brake here completely to make a left. Here we go. Drives so nice. Super quick. Really nice pickup. It is really quick. Look at that. We're going 50 miles an hour. Drives really nice. All right, so next step, we're going to go ahead and pull into a parking lot real quick here, and we're going to do our backup camera test. And I believe this one has parking sensors. We'll check those parking sensors out too. Here we go. Let's pull in here and check it out. Really nice spot here. Let's go ahead and pick a spot, pull in and check it out. All right, so putting in reverse, beautiful display there in the center. Look at those lines. When you turn the steering wheel, it lets you know which way you're going to roll back. Look at that. That is amazing. I like that. Let's straighten a little bit there. And we are all the way back. And then we're getting the parking sensors are going off because we're getting close to those bushes there. And right here on the side, it tells you, right here in the cluster, it shows you the right side. We're getting close to something there, and those are the bushes. See that? Isn't that nice? So you have the display here on top that's flashing, and on top of that, right on the cluster, it shows you what you're going to hit. Super nice. All right, so that completes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the engine compartment and look at the cargo area in the back and the tires. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at this cargo area in the back. Look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. You're gonna press the power hatch twice. There you go, opens right up. Fantastic. Let's take a look at the cargo area in the back. Looks amazing, super nice, really outstanding shape. Check a look. Little pockets there for storage on both sides. LED lights, very nice. Want to fold the seats forward, just pull this here, the seats fall forward. Very nice condition. Power plug there, super nice condition. All right, let's go ahead and close the door. Fantastic. Works perfect. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Beautiful condition, super clean, looks brand new. Really nice condition all the way through. Take a look. Really an amazing shape. Looks super nice. Look at that. Amazing condition. Take a look at the bottom of the hood. Beautiful shape. Really nice. Super clean, all original. emission sticker. Looks amazing. Very nice condition. All right, we're taking a look at the front tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in great shape. Look at that. Really outstanding condition all the way through. Very nice. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire here on the driver's side. Tire's in amazing condition. Look at that. Beautiful tire tread on there. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Really nice condition all the way through. Looks really nice. All right, we're taking a look at the rear tire tread on the passenger side. Beautiful condition. Rim is clean and in amazing shape. Take a close look. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at the front tire here on the passenger side. Beautiful condition, a lot of tread on there. Rim is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Has a couple scratches here. We're gonna go ahead and touch those up. No big deal, beautiful condition. Okay, well that's gonna conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet Blazer LT package. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really nice shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Great used autosales.com. Thanks for watching.